Anyways, so I like how he does. Let's take a look. It looks like he got scared. So let me know in the comments. Why did this love licking? Look at that. I like video and text because it's so cute. He just mind his own business sometimes. And he looks, ooh, this guy's like moving to the right positions while I'm filming. So cute. Anyways, it's sunny outside. It's sunny outside, but you can see it. It's sunny. It's like looking. Say hi, Tex. Hi. Food. Yeah, he likes food. Let's check those. Food. Though, as you can see, it's chicken. We have another chicken. We have some burgers. We have my fish. It's like the whole one-liner. Vegetables in there. And then those ones. Mayo. Butter. Oasis. Good drinks too. Ham. All just good ones. See? Bread. So that's what I have in the fridge. What do you guys have in the fridge? Me, I should just show you. It's very good. Very, very good food. Super good. It's awesome. What's that? That's the food. That's the list. See the food. This guy is big. Yeah, I just showed you my food collection. And yeah, I know you even seeing me in the room because I'm busy. Just trying to upload new content and new stuff. See, as you can see, I'm uploading another vlog. That's my vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all the stuff. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Google Plus, and you can see me there. And yeah, and you can see me there as always. I know the vlogs ain't that much exciting. I understand that, but this bear with me, and it will be all okay. Yeah. And then. If I do like this, he doesn't mind. See, if it touches his ass, he doesn't mind. Play with this tail, doesn't really mind. See, he likes to be pet. See, what's this? Hey, Tex. See, this is so cute. Cute Tex, so cute. Sit up. Let's go. Up. Fix your leg then. Fix your leg. Yeah, you see, he's happy. Look at him. He's just very happy. Right, Tex? And goes down. This is very cute. Wanna go walk later? Walk. His ears like back there. So it's like listening to what. So apparently there's gonna be something going on this weekend. We'll surprise you and upload it. You might see my friends, just to give you a hint, or you might just see me again. We'll see, and then we'll keep the vlog more interesting. Yeah. Sorry, just look at this cuteness. That's cute. So yeah, I'll upload this later on, and you'll see me as always. So don't forget, let's switch positions. I'll see you as always, alright? Like it, subscribe it, just comment. I want to talk to you guys. And I'll see you guys as always. Right? Stay safe.